How to install Windows 11 on a Chromebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Chromebooks are designed to run Chrome OS. Installing Windows 11 may void the warranty, reduce performance and pose compatibility risks. Some Chromebook can handle Windows 11 due to hardware limitations, and reverting to Chrome OS is not possible and all data will be erased unless using a virtual machine. To install Windows 11 on a Chromebook, you need to open Settings. Then click on Advanced and select Developers. Turn on Linux Development Environment and allocate at least 80 GB of space and click Install. If developer features aren't enabled, press Escape, refresh, and power then enable debugging features. And after that, you can easily download the Windows 11 ISO from the official Microsoft website and move the files to the Linux files directory. You can easily set up virtual machines and then boot and install Windows 11. After that, alternatively, you can use third-party software like Parallels to simplify the process as well. By doing so, you can easily install Windows 11 on a Chromebook. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.